In this video we will learn about employee exit entry in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee Separation module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Employee Exit form. Click on the Apply for Employee Exit button. Select Employee and Exit Type from drop-down. Select Last Working Date of Employee. If clearance is required, select Yes from drop-down, else No. Select Clearance Template from drop-down. System will auto-generate the fields for clearance. Next, if Exit Interview is required, select Yes from drop-down. Select Exit Interview Template from drop-down. Select Interviewers from down and the Evaluator as well. Enter interview date, time, and place. Select Yes if you want the employee to be inactive after final settlement, else No from Inactivate Employee after final drop-down. Select Yes if you want to restrict employee to login FlowHCM portal after employee exit entry, else No from Restrict User on Login drop-down. Add a reason before submitting request. If the selected employee has subordinates mapped, then system will prompt and ask to map those employees with any other line manager to process the request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.